Okay, hello everyone, guys. Hello everyone. How are you? Good evening, everyone. My name is Afreen Azmat, and I welcome you all to today's session. So, we are going to discuss about agriculture finance today. Everyone who is watching this video, just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, it's a request, guys, that please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. Everyone, guys, hello, hi, good evening. How are you? Just please comment once about the audio and video of the class. Is everything is working good? Is everything is working fine for all of you? Hi guys, everything is good, working fine, no issues. Everyone guys, just please comment once. Audio, video, everything is clear, working fine. So today we are going to discuss about agriculture finance. This is PPB unit 37. Okay. So let's start discussing this topic. Okay. First of all, if we talk about the loans, so there are three type of loans. If we talk about the basic introduction, there are three type of loan. We have short-term loan, we have medium or long-term loan, right? And we have the crop loan. So, first of all, if we talk about the short-term loans, loans are repayable up to 18 months. Okay, the loans which are repayable up to 18 months, these are called as the short-term loan. इसे हम we have to term it as short-term loan when the loans are repayable to 18 months, and it includes what? It includes crop loan, kisan credit card. It includes the loan against gold ornament for any agriculture purpose, right? Now, we have the medium to long term loan. Medium to long term loan, the period for this is more than 36 months. The period for this is more than 36 months. And now, when we are talking about medium to long term loan, the main purpose is for minor irrigation facilities, farm and land development, farm mechanization, plantation, horticulture, allied activities, dairy farming, sheep, goat rearing, piggery and rabbit farming, poultry farming, fisheries, sericulture, beekeeping, mushroom cultivation, biogas plants, etc. So these are medium to long term loans. There is a short term loan, there is medium to long term loan. The main thing is you have to take care of the loan repayment time period. If the loan is repayment up to 18 months, then it is known as short term loan. When the loan is repayable for a period of more than 36 months, then it is considered as medium to long term, right? Now, what is crop loan? Purpose of crop loan is to facilitate the agriculturist undertaking farming, right? So the main purpose of the crop loan is to what? To facilitate the agriculturist who are undertaking the farming. It is actually for meeting the expenses for raising the seasonal crop, which includes the crop of seeds, which include the fertilizers, which include pesticide, irrigation charges, labor charges, agriculturist, etc. So these are all considered under crop loan. These are all done under the crop loan. So there is a short term loan which is repayable to 18 months. There is medium to long term loan which is more than 36 months. There is crop loan. Crop loan, which is actually for what? Which is actually for the undertaking farming activities, right? Now, next, there is a Kisan credit card. When we are talking about the Kisan credit card, the Kisan credit card is actually for the issuing of credit card. Okay, it includes the electronic card also to farmers, and it is as per their land holding. So whatever their land holding is, as per their land holding, the Kisan credit card is issued to farmers, right? And it is for what? It is for purchasing of inputs, investments for allied and non-farm activities, right? Now, the main objective of issuing the Kisan credit card is to provide a timely and educate credit support from the banking system to a single window farmer. So, when the farmer is there for providing educate and timely credit support okay, from the banking system under a single window to the farmer for their cultivations and other need like for post harvest expenses, for consumption requirement, for farmer household, for maintenance of farm asset, for activities and allied to agriculture. These are all the purpose which are covered under the Kisan Credit Card scheme. Right now, the Kisan Credit Card, this is available for a period of 3 years, which is subject to the annual review. Now, when we are talking about the farmers, so farmers are basically divided into two categories. Okay, so the first category is when the farmers, if they have the land holding of up to 1 hectare, then they are considered as the marginal farmer. If they have the land holding of up to 1 hectare, then they are the marginal farmers. And if they have the land holding of more than 1 hectare and 2 hectare, they are characterized as the small farmers. Right. Next. Now, there is a word which is known as farm mechanization. Okay, now what is this farm mechanization? Farm mechanization, beside tractors, also include the use of other machinery, like there is a use of power tiller, threshers, combine harvesters, sprayers, dusters, power tillers, etc., for increasing production and improving productivity. So, farm mechanization is for what? Farm mechanizations is actually the using of different machinery for the improvement or for the increase in the production and productivity, right? So farm mechanizations include what? Farm mechanizations includes power tiller, threshers, combine harvesters, sprayers, dusters, power tillers for increasing productivity and production in the farm, right? Now, the farmer should have the 5 acre of perennially irrigated land available for the use of tractor. So it is very important that if you want to use tractor for increasing the production and productivity of your farm, you should have a minimum 5 acres of land. You should have a minimum of how much? 5 acres of land. Okay. Now, next important thing is it should be perennially irrigated land, means it should have a irrigation system. That land should not be barren or should not be kept in the idle position for a long period of time. That should be perennially irrigated land. Okay, irrigation should be there from a very long time in that land. So you should have a 5 acre perennially irrigated land, right? Bank also finance under farm mechanization. Bank also finance second-hand tractors or repairs of the machinery, which is financed by the bank earlier. Now, the repayment period, if we talk about the repayment time period, it is from 3 to 9 years, depending on the borrower's activity, right? Now, if we talk about the small and marginal farmers, so small farmers which have the holdings of 1 to 2 hectare and marginal farmers which have the holding of 1 hectare, they are encouraged that they should purchase power tiller on the basis of their land holding instead of tractor. In the farm mechanization, the main focus is there that you should use tractors. You should use more of tractors. You should use more of power tillers based on your land holding instead of only tractors, right? So, farm mechanization, it includes everything: power tiller, thresher, combine harvesters, sprayers, dusters, power tillers, etc. You should have a minimum of 5 acres of perennially irrigated land. Bank should also finance the second-hand tractor. The repayment time period varied from 3 to 9 years. And the small and marginal farmers, if we talk about the small and marginal farmer, they should be encouraged to purchase the power tillers on the basis of their land holding instead of the tractors, right? Next and the last thing is minimum support price. Now, minimum support price is a scheme of the government of India under which the agriculture produces are purchased from the farmers at the declared MSP. So MSP is the minimum prices that is given to a particular crop if the crop price falls below the market price or below the price at which the farmers are unable to recover their production cost. Minimum support price is there for supporting the farmers from any losses, right? And for Food Corporation of India is the nodal agency for the minimum support price. Now, minimum support prices, so the government has announced the MSP for 25 crops currently, and this include Rabi and Kharif crop both, right? Now, there is a National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India, which is the nodal procurement agency for oilseed pulses apart from Cotton Corporation of India, right? So this is the minimum support price scheme. Okay. Last is there is a Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, or it's not Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, it is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. In 2016, the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana replaced all the other insurance schemes which are related to the to the agriculture sector. It covered two basic things. So there is a basic cover and there is an add-on coverage. Basic cover, if you have enrolled in the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, so basic cover, it is mandatory, it is given to everyone, and it covers the loss from sowing to harvesting, right? Now, add-on coverage, this is additional optional. You can pay and have the add-on coverage. Now, add-on coverage helps in preventing sowing, adverse condition, post-harvest loss, and specific risk. Now, what are the exclusion? If there is a loss that arises out of war or nuclear risk, or any malicious damage or preventable risk, then these are exclusion from Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Aadhaar requirement is mandatory for having the crop insurance. Clear? So this is the important thing related to this chapter. So let's start discussing some practice question. First of all, there is a Kisan credit card which are issued to the farmer. First of all, to withdraw money from the ATM, to purchase farm equipment, to purchase agricultural implement on credit from dealer, meet cultivation needs, non-farm requirements including the purchase of input, short-term requirements, working capital requirement for allied activities. So the correct answer for this question is what? Everyone. The correct answer for this question is what? Kisan credit card is issued to the farmer for which of the following purpose? Kisan credit card is issued to the farmer for which of the following purpose? Everyone please answer this question. So if we talk about the Kisan credit card, it is issued to the farmer for this. D is the correct answer. To meet their cultivation need, non-farm requirements, including the purchase of inputs and other short-term requirements, working capital requirements, and the allied activities. Clear? Done? Okay, next. Under farm mechanization scheme, loan is given for providing irrigation facilities, cultivation expenses, purchase of farm equipment, or for digging wells. Everyone, please answer this question. Guys, just please answer this question. Everyone. Okay. So under farm mechanization, loans is given for purchase of farm equipments, right? So this is it. This is the chapter. I have just discussed the most important thing related to this chapter. Now, if you want to learn the complete chapter, you can learn the complete chapter. We have these all courses which are ongoing in this Oliveboard app. So we have the JIB Foundation Batch 2.0. We have the DBF Selection Batch. We have the Master Batches in both the medium. We have RBWM and AFM batches in both the medium. We are upcoming with some new batches also, like we have the case study batch also. We are upcoming with the numerical batches also. We are upcoming with the selection batch for the JIB, which is starting from this 17th of January, right? Now, you don't have to purchase each and every batch individually. Instead, just go for this JIB Super Elite all-in-one subscription, in which you will get the access of all the live classes, mock test notes, and everything, right? There is a very good discount that is going on. So, on the occasion of this Ekadashi, right, we have a flat 50% off on this JIB Super Elite all-in-one subscription, right? So if you want to have this subscription, you just use this code SPL. If you are using this code SPL, you will get a flat 50% off on the JIB and CIB Super Elite all-in-one subscription. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining this session. I hope that you have all enjoyed this session. If you have enjoyed this session, just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, it's a request guys that please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. Thank you so much. Take care everyone. Bye bye guys. Bye everyone. Take care.